Do you snore? Why isn't it always a sign of good health, and why isn't it always so safe? Maybe it's a sign of obstructive sleep syndrome, which goes along with snoring, pauses in breathing during sleep at night, and daytime sleepiness. You fall asleep either in the middle of a meeting or even while driving. Your blood pressure is uncontrolled, despite the medication you've been prescribed, and keeps going up, and you're obese and cannot do anything about it. This is all likely a sign of obstructive sleep syndrome. You need to consult a specialist in sleep medicine immediately to solve this problem. Otherwise, the risk of a stroke or heart attack increases 4 to 6 times.